15 record labels in 2 years. Every door slammed. Kid, go home. You're not ready. Today, Taylor Swift's music heals broken hearts worldwide. This is her tear-stained road to stadiums. At age 11, on her Pennsylvania farm, Taylor writes her first song about a school crush in her bedroom diary. She plays it for her family. Her dad cries. Her mom says, "Nashville needs your heart." At age 13, after a 12-hour drive to Nashville, the first label tells her she's too young. Taylor whispers to her mirror, "Maybe they're right." From age 14 to 16, it's 15 labels, same story. Not country enough, not pop, no star quality. During car rides home, Taylor sobs, "Mom, should I quit?" Her mum wipes her tears and says, "Your truth is your superpower. Someone will hear it." During her 16th birthday week, Big Machine Records calls, "We want your songs." Her debut single, Tim McGraw, hits #1. She sells out her first show. Taylor FaceTimes her mom from backstage. "They love my heart." In 2009, at 20, she becomes the youngest Grammy Country album winner ever. Fearless becomes the best-selling album of the decade. Then, a new battle. The rights to her first 6 albums, her life's work, sold from under her. A betrayal. But Taylor fought back, not with lawyers, but with her music. She re-recorded everything. Taylor's version became a symbol of an artist taking back their power. From 2023 to 2026, TheErasTour grosses $2.2 billion, with 100 stadiums and 14 million fans. Taylor dedicates it. For every bedroom songwriter who got told no. Your bedroom diary? That's where Taylor's billion-dollar empire began. Right through the tears. Your stadium awaits. Thanks for watching Little Stories, Big Values. Please subscribe and follow for more moral videos.